Listen to following lecture or conversation, and then answer the most of choice questions based on the content.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about gardening and how it's not only a popular hobby, but also beneficial for both physical and mental health. Gardening has been a favored pastime for centuries, with people growing flowers, herbs, and vegetables in their homes, backyards, or community spaces. But what makes gardening so rewarding as a hobby? Well, there are several reasons. First, gardening provides physical exercise. From digging to weeding, lifting to planting, these activities can improve your cardiovascular health, increase flexibility, and build strength. Many people don't realize how physically demanding gardening can be, but it's a great way to stay active while also being productive. Second, gardening can be a great stress reliever. Studies have shown that being surrounded by nature and engaging in outdoor activities can lower cortisol levels, which is the hormone responsible for stress. The repetitive tasks of planting and nurturing plants can be meditative and calming, helping you focus and find a sense of accomplishment. Moreover, gardening is a creative outlet. You get to design your garden, choose the plants, and decide on the layout, all of which offer a sense of control and personal expression. It doesn't have to be a grand space. Small indoor gardens or even potted plants on a balcony can give you the same satisfaction. Another key benefit of gardening is its contribution to the environment. By planting trees, flowers, and vegetables, you're supporting the ecosystem, encouraging pollination, and helping to reduce air pollution. Urban gardens in particular can have a positive impact on local wildlife, as they provide habitats for birds, insects, and other small creatures. Finally, gardening can also be a social activity. Many communities have gardening clubs or allotments where people come together to share tips, seeds, and produce. This social interaction can foster a sense of belonging and community spirit, which is another important factor for mental well-being. In conclusion, gardening is not just about growing plants. It's a holistic hobby that nurtures the body, mind, and the environment. Whether you're growing a single plant in your living room or cultivating a large outdoor garden, the benefits of gardening are vast and rewarding.
What is the main physical benefit of gardening mentioned in the lecture? How does gardening help with mental health according to the speaker? Which of the following are social benefits of gardening? Gardening allows for creativity as a creative outlet. What is one environmental advantage of gardening mentioned in the lecture? Match the following gardening activities with their benefits. Which of the following gardening activities contribute to physical exercise? Correct answers. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.